Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Holman Insights app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Holman Insights is a fleet management app designed to give businesses real-time visibility into their vehicle operations. It allows users to track vehicle performance, monitor maintenance schedules, manage fuel usage, and access key analytics to improve fleet efficiency. With dashboards, alerts, and customizable reports, the app supports data-driven decision-making for fleet operators and managers. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The interface is professional and organized, offering quick access to essential fleet data. Users appreciate the clear reporting tools and how it helps them reduce downtime by tracking service needs in advance. Integration with vehicle telematics systems is smooth, and real-time alerts keep managers informed of issues as they arise. It's especially helpful for companies aiming to lower operational costs and increase vehicle utilization. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Some users report occasional syncing delays or data lags, especially with older vehicle systems. Others feel that while the analytics are useful, the app could benefit from deeper customization options in dashboards and export formats. There's also a learning curve for new users unfamiliar with fleet software. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Holman Insights is a valuable tool for fleet management, offering powerful visibility, real-time tracking, and maintenance planning features. It's ideal for businesses looking to optimize vehicle operations, though users should be prepared to spend some time learning the system and adapting it to their specific workflows. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.